Why is it so important to have a chief aim in life?
If you don't, that's what he said, this is your main goal. The one thing you want to do no matter what. I have goals, minor goals, but they're all on my bathroom mirror. So when I get out of the shower in the morning, I look at what I got to do. I remind myself of what I got to do. And at night when I brush my teeth and I'm ready to go to sleep, I see my goals again. Unless I'm in a hotel room, I don't grab my bathroom mirror with me. But I must tell you that there has to be one desired thing that you go for, and Napoleon Hill says, focus on that. That's why and if you look at the millennial world right now, everybody brags about the fact that they have a side hustle. Make it your main hustle or don't do it anymore.
Right.
Make it the one, this is what I'm going to be the best dentist in the world, I'm going to be the best lawyer in the world, I'm going to be the best babysitter in the world, whatever you're going to do. When I learned how to sell, I loved it. And I said, okay, I want to be the best. And I did that understanding that that was my chief aim. And I worked at that diligently. If you've read Outliers, Malcolm Gladwell thing, you have to have your 10,000 hours or there's nothing. So I have my 10,000 hours. And then I said, oh, I really like writing. I want to be the best business writer on the planet. The Little Red Book is now the best-selling sales book of all time, but I have my 10,000 hours. Mm-hmm. Then I started to speak. Ooh, that was fun. So now I speak to corporations all over the world, and I love it, but it was only because I want to be the best.
Right.
If I don't love it, I'm not going to do it.
Right.
Life's too short to do what I hate my job. Great, it's America. Get another one.